The Dallas City Council approved a plan to offer mental health leave for Dallas firefighters as well as for all of the city's civilian employees. The approval comes just days after another Dallas firefighter attempted suicide over the weekend. Fox 4's Lori Brown is live in Dallas tonight with that story. Lori.
Steve, the firefighter who attempted suicide is recovering, and the hope is that this new policy will encourage firefighters as well as all of the city's employees to get help when they need it.
Dear members of the Dallas City Council, my husband, John Kenny Crutcher, Captain John Crutcher, took his life on November 12, 2021.
Dallas City Councilman Adam Magoo shared a moving letter written by the widow of Captain John Kenny Crutcher. He is one of 6 Dallas firefighters who has taken his life in the past 10 years.
His commitment to provide around-the-clock help to any one of his coworkers or soldiers was unwavering.
The 45-year-old husband and father of a 5-year-old daughter served DFR for 20 years.
That was his modus operandi. He couldn't turn off the help switch, the very characteristics that made him good at his jobs.
His widow shared in her letter to Dallas City Council how he shielded her from the horrors of his job, except for one case.
Usually, Kenny wouldn't offer details of a call or case that affected him to this magnitude. He didn't want to give me the nightmares he knew he'd have. However, this one he had to get off his chest. He responded to a call about a couple who, after having smoked so much of an illegal substance, were completely unfazed by the fact that he had completely burned their infant in scalding water. He described her burns to me, crying about her limp body. He was mad and sad and frustrated that he could do absolutely nothing to help this child.
The new policy passed unanimously will provide not just firefighters, but all city employees with paid time off for mental health assistance from trauma on the job. For example, 911 call takers or animal service employees who deal with severe cruelty cases. But it is first responders who are likely most in need. The city is hiring a mental health professional for DFR to evaluate those who request help under the new policy.
We go back many years from when we were both rookies on the department. Worked together for years, and then we were working together at the same fire station.
Dallas Fire Association President Jim McDade led the Greenville Avenue St. Patrick's Day Parade with Crutcher each year. This year, he will carry his helmet.
If we can do anything to ever prevent a tragedy like this occurring in the future, then it's our responsibility to do our best to make sure that that happens.
McDade says his hope is that more firefighters will realize it is okay to ask for help.
It's never been easy for somebody to ask for help, and we have to make that a little bit more normal.
The policy allows for up to 60 hours of paid leave for firefighters and 40 hours for all other employees. The Dallas Police Department already had a paid mental health leave policy. The cost of this policy is estimated at $200,000 a year. If you or someone you know needs help, we've put the number for the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline with this story at fox4news.com.